In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X3, and let me show you how to turn on or off screenshot sounds on the following device. So as you can hear right now, it is muted, so there will not be notification that we are taking a screenshot, like sound notification. The screenshot has been made and that's it. And if you'd like to change it, you have to reach the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Here just pick screenshot sound right here, and now you'll be able to hear the sound notification. I did it twice, so this blink was for a screenshot. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.